Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the tools you need. Open shortcuts, sign into your Apple ID, and permit automations. Once done, add the Shortcuts widget or place a shortcut on the home screen so you can launch quickly. Make sure Siri is enabled in settings so voice triggers work. You're doing this to reduce taps and speed routines. Enabling these permissions forces iPadOS to let shortcuts run reliably, and placing a shortcut nearby saves time every day. You now build a simple routine. Tap the plus sign, choose Add Action, and pick an app or scripting block. Once you add actions, connect them with variables and conditional if blocked so the shortcut adapts. Use repeat and wait for loops when dealing with multiple items. Test frequently with play and fix errors by checking variable outputs. This reveals why an action fails. After successful tests, set an icon and name that make the shortcut easy to spot for everyday use. Finish by automating. Go to Automation, create a personal automation for time, location, or device event, and decide whether to ask before running. Once automated, add shortcuts to the share sheet, widget, and assign a Siri phrase so you can trigger them multiple ways. If a shortcut fails, check app permissions and the action inputs, then update iPadOS. Often an input mismatch or missing permission is the culprit. If problems persist, duplicate the shortcut and test.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.